Cartonage Limited and KOJ Packaging Limited are British companies who manufacture high-quality carton board, point-of-sale printed packaging for the EU retail market, and has been designing and manufacturing cardboard folding cartons for over 26 years. Originally established in 1995 by constructional carton designer Phil Webster, Cartonage remains a client-driven, privately owned business where all the key shareholders remain actively involved in the business today. KOJ Packaging has been owned by directors Andrew Eastham and Alan Pounder since 2004. In 2008, they, together with Phil Webster, established the current Cartonage KOJ business. Both companies work closely together to deliver excellent quality and 100% customer service. Cartonage KOJ can print onto any carton board substrate. Our design studio uses state-of-the-art software, namely the ESCO automation engine, which allows control of the incoming artwork files by automatically checking the validity of the artwork file, barcode and print content. This automation engine also allows for automatic file layout to CF2, therefore releasing studio artwork time. Cartonage front-end capability is acknowledged as state-of-the-art, and this translates into the speed at which we can turn around orders and deliver printed cartons and sleeves, sometimes with short order lead times. The business has two types of roll-and printing presses and also computer-to-plate technology. This again enables our team to respond quickly to short order lead times. From receipt of an artwork file, the turnaround time can be as short as 3 days or less. MIS, a bespoke system developed in-house specifically for the cartonage business, allows customer orders to be identified at any point in the production cycle, and as the system can be accessed remotely, our team are able to provide customers with 24/7 service. Our team has also developed a state-of-the-art barcode-driven warehouse stock control system. Cartonage has invested to develop excellent support technology so that we're able to offer our customers the best in flexible manufacturing. From a blue sky customer brief to replication of a carton or sleeve from existing artwork, Cartonage can offer the full concept to print service. With more than 50 years constructional and functional design and development experience, our design team will ensure that even the most challenging brief can be met. Cartonage and KOJ are accredited with many industries and national standards. Both have achieved BRC Grade AA for direct food contact packaging, and Cartonage was one of the first UK carton manufacturers to be awarded the BRC accreditation. We have invested in mellow colour technology, and all members of our design team have been trained in the use of mellow colour. We are also immensely proud to be a member of the Mellow Colour 100 Club, this being awarded to printers that have achieved 100% accuracy. Cartonage is the only carton printer in the UK that has achieved this 8 times. We have a loyal local workforce. The average length of employment per employee is 15 years. Cartonage is ardent about its people and invests heavily in training and development, with opportunities to achieve NVQ, City and Guilds and proficient printer qualifications, to name just a few. We also champion a 3-year printing technology apprentice scheme. We are enthusiastic about and greatly value our growing, high-profile portfolio of customers. So, if you'd like to work with an industry-leading designer and manufacturer of folding cardboard cartons, offering great customer service and capable of a fast response, please contact Cartonage and KOJ today.